Well, I have a lot of jeans, and guess what? They're not all created equal. But I did find a pair that I absolutely love. Let's talk about that. So, 4-way stretch. I actually got 2 pairs from the Perfect Jean Company. These are utterly amazing. I got a pair of skinny, and I got also a slimming pair. And I have to tell you that I have a couple pairs of regular jeans and a lot of slim and skinny jeans, and I have to tell you, these 2 pairs of jeans are by far the best I have ever tried. So here's just one pair of jeans that I got. The fabric is just fantastic. It's soft, it feels great. Now, speaking of fabric, this is just an example of just a pair of jeans that I have. It's a very good quality pair of jeans, but you can see how tight the fabric is, and it's just not comfortable, especially when it bunches up around the knees, and even sometimes in the crotch area. It just is very tight. The fabric is not a bad quality fabric. It's just it doesn't give. So you can tell even when you sit down, it just doesn't feel good. It feels like you're wearing these like really constricting type of pair of jeans. It doesn't mean that they're bad jeans. When you're standing, they're okay. But when you're sitting or doing anything else like bending over or anything like that, or spreading your legs, you really do run into some issues in terms of flexibility. And I really move a lot in my job, and flexibility is everything. So this is another pair of jeans I have. This is actually more of an expensive pair of jeans I have. And it has a little bit more give, but it still doesn't stretch that much. It's a little bit more comfortable than the previous pair of jeans that I showed you. But the Perfect jeans take it even a step further. And it comes really into do with what type of material they're using within their jeans. So I'm wearing them right now, and see how much they stretch, and I'm not even pulling that hard. You can easily fit a wallet, your phone. I have a large 6.7-inch iPhone, and it easily fits in my pockets. The stretching of these jeans is crazy. So I can easily put my phone in my pocket. It's huge. And then, the stretching portion of these jeans, it's ridiculous. They flex with ease. When you bend your knees, when you move around, if you have to, grab something. But look how much they stretch, really with ease. Even the back pockets, there's plenty of room in your back pockets. Even if you had to put a phone back there, I know a lot of people like to put their phones or larger wallets in the back. It just works. I really like these jeans, the fabric and everything about it. One thing to note though, I wear a size 32 normally in jeans. I had to buy a size 31. You have to buy one size down because the material that they use, it's very stretchy. So your waistline is going to be a size 1 smaller. But overall though, these jeans flex with my life. They're very high quality and worth every penny. If you have any questions about these jeans, contact me below in the comments or visit Perfect Jeans on their website. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.